Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So this is a Bornpretty review. So they have sent me some items to show you. So let's just crack on like always. So I do have some swatch sticks ready. So first up we have a rubber base coat. Now it does come with the protective like thing on it, but obviously I can't take it off. So I'm pretty sure I got the Milky White. If I can undo the box, yeah, it is the Milky White. So I have got the clear, and this is the Milky White. Beautiful bottles. So you have the little swatch thing on the top, and this is the ingredients in case anybody wants to pause and have a look. And this is rubber base, as I said. And this should be Milky White. Yes, it is. Really pretty. So I will give that a swatch. Hang on. Okay, let's just swatch it straight over a clear, just so you can have a look. I do like these rubber base coats. They're really, really good. Really good. Oh, it is Milky White. I like that. And these are so good for doing an overlay. Really, really good. And as I said, I do have this in the clear as well. I really like it. It's really, really good for gel overlay, encapsulating, all sorts of different stuff. It's a really, really, really nice rubber base. So I will let that self level, but that is what it looks like. It looks really, really nice. So I will just turn it upside down and then I'll pop that in the lamp. Okay, so next up we have one from the Silky White series. So let's have a look and see what colour it is, because I can't remember. So always on the packaging you do have your directions, expiry date, and you do have like the information just on the side as well. So on the back you have your ingredients. And I do like the bottles. They're really, really nice. You have the little window. And this is CG007. So let's have a quick look at the colour. Oh, wow. That is really, really nice. Oh, I really like that colour. It's very nice. Perfect for this time of year as well. So let's give it a quick swatch. Oh, yeah. I do like this colour. It's really nice. It's a really, really nice nude. And I have a hair on the swatch stick. I'll get it out in a minute. So that's the first coat. So I will apply, as always, any second coat off camera. So I will cure that for 60 seconds. So next up, I'm pretty sure we have two cat eye ones. Completely trashed the box of this one because I couldn't get it open. So we won't have a look at the box. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a magnetic one. Ooh. So yeah. It's cat magnetic gel, and I'm assuming that is the product number there. I think that's an 8. I think it is. I think it's 56819-6. So we shall have a look and see what this looks like. I will do it over clear and black, just to see what it looks like. So I've got my magnet. Oh, it's really pretty. Let's look at that. No, it won't focus. Oh, it's really pretty. Some of these magnetic polishes are so nice just without actually activating the magnet. They really, really are. So that is what the first coat looks like. So let's just so there you go. Turned it really red. So I will cure that and then I will apply the second coat. So this is the second coat. Oh, it's really pretty. Quick go in with the magnet again. Wow, look at that. Oh, wow. So we'll do it over black as well. Okay, so the last one up is another cat eye. So I'll trash this box as well. I'm sorry. So this one looks like it's a silver one. So this is 56654-1. So let's have a look. Oh, it's really silver. So let's do it over the clear again, and I will do it over the black as well, like I did the other one. Oh wow, the hollow in this. Again, this would be this would be so pretty. Hang on. Sorry, I had to clear my throat. This would be so pretty just on its own. I don't know if you can see the hollow glitters in it. Maybe if it's like not focused. Can you see? Oh, they're so pretty. So let's just do it again. So that's what it looks like with the magnet. So I will pop that in and then I will apply a second coat. Last up we have the metallic painting gel, Super Shine Silver, and it's UV LED and it's 5mm, and this is how it comes packaged. So you have this little bit here that you just take off, and I do think that there is, yes, okay, give me a second. Okay, so that went absolutely everywhere. But this is what it looks like. It's proper mirrored. Look at that. So, I didn't even get a brush out. Let me find a brush. Okay, let's try this over the clear. I'm just going to take just a very small amount. Oh, wow. It's so smooth. That's crazy smooth. And of course I've got a hair in it. Wouldn't be one of my videos without one of them, would it? So that is it over a clear. So I'm just going to leave that for 1 second just there. So let's quickly swatch it over a black as well. I think what I will do is just sort of, I don't know, go like that so you can see. Oh, was I out of frame? I'm sorry. Go like that and just see. So I'm going to leave that for a second as well, and then let's just do it over a white. I will try and make sure I'm in frame this time. Oh, this swatch stick, hang on. Sorry, I just had to get that off. Now, I've still got quite a bit on my brush, so let's just... I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. Let's just grab another one. Well, I did tip some on that. Waste not, want not, and all that. Let's just, I don't know. Now we all know I'm not very good at freehand or anything like that. Because of my hand as well, like I've basically lost control of my little finger, so that doesn't help. I don't know. What should we do on the top, do you think? I don't know. Let's turn it round. So there you go. It was very, very easy to work with, really easy. So I will cure that and then I shall come back. Look how mirror-like that is. Wow. Okay, I will cure all of these and then I shall come back and we'll have another look. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, so let's have a quick recap. So this is the Milky White rubber base and it is absolutely beautiful. I love it. So that is that there. So that's only one coat and top coated with the super top coat. Also from Bornpretty. I love this stuff. It's so good. Really, really, really good. And then we had... What number is this? Then we had CG007. And this is 2 coats and top coated. If I hold it this side. So it's really, really pretty. And then we had the red magnetic, so that's what it looks like unfocused, just so you can see, and then that's it focused. Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty, and I really like that tint of red. Oh, it's so pretty. And that's just over clear, but look at it over black. Wow, look at all them reds and purples and oranges. Wow. And then you have that silver as well when you activate the magnet. Just look at that. Is absolutely stunning. And that's one coat. Oh, it's lush. And then this is the silver one. Just look at that. It's like little stars. So that's what that one looks like. And that is 2 coats. And then this is it over black. That really looks like galaxy. I just move it from side to side just so you can see the magnet move. And that's what it looks like. How pretty is that? Like little twinkling stars in space. And then this is the metal painting gel. So this is it over clear. I haven't top coated it. I'm not sure if you're meant to top coat it or not. I don't know. I will put a thing on the screen if you do have to. And this is it over the black. Really, really nice. Really shiny. And then this is it over the white that we just doodled on. So yeah, my freehand is not great. So let me just sort these out and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is them all together. Let me know your thoughts down below. I really, really like them. Really like them. Fantastic. Absolutely brilliant. I love them so much. I do have a direct link down in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. And you can use my discount code to save yourself some money, and you can go and pick up these because these are really, really good. The rubber base is amazing. I really, really like the rubber bases. They're really, really good. And 2 coats is enough for the overlay. It's really, really good, really good. You'll have to check out one of my other videos to have a look at the clear, because I went a bit more in depth with the clear one. And then this is really, really nice. The magnetic ones are really nice. And then we had the painting gel. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Do you have any of these? Don't you have them? Do you like the look of them? Yeah, just let me know any thoughts you have down below. And don't forget, as I said, my discount code. And thank you once again, Bornpretty, for sending me these out. They are amazing as always. And yeah, I will have some pictures at the end. And yeah, if not so, please subscribe and I will get something done with these as soon as possible. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching. And yep, take care, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.